Hey you, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the fall edition of Fabfitfun. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back. Welcome back. So let's get right into it. Fabfitfun is my favorite seasonal subscription box. You get over $200 worth of product for $50, and if it's your first box you can get $10 off. I've unboxed 3 of these thus far: winter, spring, and summer. I will link those videos above throughout this video if you have not seen them. Now I'm going to unbox fall. This is my first fall box, and I feel like after I unbox this box I will really be able to tell you guys what I think about a year's worth of Fabfitfun overall. So without further ado, let's get into it. I have to say this is my favorite design of all of the boxes that I've received thus far. I just love these colors. They really speak to fall, especially this beautiful burgundy right here. Fabfitfun unboxings are so fun, hence the name. It's fabulous. It's got some fitness stuff as well. Sometimes, of course, we always get a magazine that tells us all about the box, and it looks like you can get $15 off your first box if you use this code. Note that this coupon expires October 25th, and they also included an $80 HelloFresh gift card. The first thing in the box I'm really excited about, this is the Bauble Bear Farrah ear crawlers, and I love earrings like this because they're long and beautiful, and because I don't have any earrings on right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. And I love that you can wear them as like little danglies, or if I wanted to, I could fit them to where I could wear them more like this, which is really how I like to wear these types of earrings, but I'm gonna wear them as danglies for now. So pretty, I love that. And these retail for $34, and I love that this box is somewhat customizable. Depending on how much you pay, the more you can customize, and I was able to customize a few items. This is one of them. The next item that I chose in the customization is this beautiful Kate Spade lunch bag. I just really loved this bag with a Kate Spade tag, dots all over it, and it says out to lunch, which is so cute. It has gold zippers, so it's very stylish but still very roomy. I could just pack my lunch in here, and it fits quite a bit. I was very surprised. I can actually fit my ice pack in here and whatever I want to pack for lunch, and I just love that this bag is so stylish. It's a $30 value. Kate Spade is actually one of the first name brand purses that my mother ever bought me, so it's just a really fond memory that I have of Kate Spade. May she rest in peace. I love this lunch tote, and I'm so excited to use it. Then we have the Harper and Airy exfoliating sugar scrub. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. These smell so good. It smells like sweet and sour apple candy. I really want to eat these just by smelling them. And when I opened up this box, it smelled so good, and I'm almost sure those sugar cubes had everything to do with it. Then we have the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim. These are eye masks, and the innovative gold foil retains maximum hydration. And there are 6 in a pack for $25. And they have hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil. We have the Human and Kind Skincare with the Conscience Body Souffle. And it's really lightweight and very water-based. It melts down into almost nothing. Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human and Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Definitely quickly absorbs, and the water base will definitely help you feel super moisturized. This one retails for $18. We have the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and this is a leave-in treatment. And if you guys know me and watch my channel, you know that I love leave-in treatments for my hair. Most likely what I would do for something like this is I would put it in a spray bottle and add water. I really like to thin out my product since I do have dreadlocks. so that the product can get into my hair and into the lock. Leave-in treatments, love them so much. This one doesn't have a strong scent at all. I'm actually used to leave-in treatments having a scent, so if I don't want a scent, this would definitely be the one that I'll give a try. And this one retails for $30, and it's infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. And it's also for hairstyling up to 450 degrees. That's pretty cool if you use a lot of heat in your hair. I actually don't anymore, so that's not really a reason why I would use it, but it's definitely good to know. Then we have the After Spa hair towel. I've really been wanting to try a hair towel like this. I tend to wrap my hair towels like this anyway after I shower. That's how I dry my locks on a normal basis. So I'm anxious to see if this would hold really thick hair and if it would get it dry or not. Even if it doesn't, this is probably the type of towel that I would use for a leave-in treatment. And that one retails for $18. This next one I also did customize. This is the Plush Stay Warm and Stylish Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf. I love getting linens in my Fabfitfun box. My winter box, I got some linens. The blanket that I got in that box, I use all the time. I travel with it, so lightweight and easy to pack. Very stylish, and it also has the fringes on it. This is a scarf. I really love the colors. I think this is perfect for fall. It's so soft, and that one retails for $75. I can't wait to try this out this fall. I also customized, this was the Twine Living Company Gourmet Wood and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. You guys know I like to cook. I've also received in one of my Fabfitfun boxes the Jida measuring spoons. Anytime they have anything to do with food or cooking, I'm gonna get it. And I love the idea of like a platter or a smorgasbord of meats and cheeses and fruits. I love wooden cutting boards, and this kind of reminds me of that. And I love that it comes with the 2 matching gold finished cheese knives. This would be a staple in my house for a party get together. I'll definitely be putting this one out. This is a $30 value. Then lastly, this is not one of the items that came in this month's box, but I did add it as an ad because with Fabfitfun you can add on things to your box. The Nasif ND Dermaceuticals Detox Pads. I'm really excited about these pads because they're nice and big. You get so many of these. There's 60. I can't remember how much I added them on for, but it was a little of nothing, which was why it was so worth it for me. I'm actually going to use them tonight, and that is everything in this season's box. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that it was helpful for you. If you have not tried Fabfitfun, I highly suggest that you do. They include makeup, skincare, hair care, all sorts of things. It really is a great box, guys. And after receiving it for a full year, it is still my favorite seasonal box, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to use the code and get $15 off your first box. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I love makeup, hair care, skincare, and I do lifestyle videos here on my channel. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Join the Brittany fam. Don't forget the August giveaway. I will link it above so you can enter, and I will see you in the next video.